So in order to put in your shoe buttons, we're going to first take apart the screw and the post so they're separate. Then you're going to take out the shoelace from the hole in the shoe that's closest to the inside of your leg. Okay? Then put the screw part, the part with the threads, inside the shoe hole, and you're going to push it through that hole like that. So now you have that screw post sticking out, and we're going to screw on the post onto the screw. You should just take a couple of turns, and you're going to screw it tight. Make sure that you also hold the screw on the inside so it doesn't spin around. Okay? Once you've gotten that tight, you're going to put your foot in the shoe so that we can tie the shoe at the right tightness for you. And so we're going to loop that string we took out of the hole around the post, tie the shoe so it feels nice and comfortable. Go ahead and double knot it so that it doesn't come out, because you're not going to need to tie the shoes anymore. Then you're going to unhook it, and then that's how you get your foot out, and that's how you slip your foot right back in. One-handed, pull the tongue, stick your finger in the back. Then you're going to pull up on that shoelace and then hook it around the shoe post. The end.